Assalamu alaikum dear students. How are you all doing? I hope you are doing well. This is Muhammad Rashid, your math teacher from Hera Public School, Fadgudiya Ambari Azamgarh. Dear students, in last video we have solved exercise 2.1 which is on addition. In today's video we are going to learn about subtraction. So let's begin. First, we learn about what is subtraction. Subtraction means taking away. In subtraction, we take away things from a group and count how much is left. So in subtraction, generally we take the things and count how many things or how many objects is left. For example, suppose that you have 5 marbles and your brother has taken 2 marbles. Now if we ask how many marbles is left with you, you will say I have 5 marbles and my brother has taken 2 marbles. So 1 and 2, you will get 3 marbles. You will get 3 marbles. So this process is called subtraction. Clear? So in subtraction means taking away. In subtraction we take away things from a group. So this was a group of 5 marbles and count how much is left. Your brother has taken 2 marbles and now we count how much is left. So this is 1, 2 and 3. So your answer is 3 marbles. Before going to the topic, first we will clear some basic terms of subtraction. First we learn about minvend. What is minvend? Number from which we subtract. Number from which we subtract. Is called minvend. Clear? And the next is subtrahend. Subtrahend. Subtrahend is spelled as S-U-B-T-R-A-H-E-N-D. Subtrahend. Number which is subtracted from the minvend is called subtrahend. Subtrahend. Let's clear with an example. 5, 3, 2 minus 2, 3, 1. Okay. So we are subtracting from 532. So this number is called minvend. And the number which is subtracted from the minvend is called subtrahend. Subtrahend. And the answer what we will get after subtracting the subtrahend, that is called difference. So 2 minus 1 is equal to 1 and 3 minus 3 is equal to 0 and 5 minus 2 is equal to 3. So this is called difference. This is called difference. The number from which we subtract is called minvend and the number which is subtracted from the minvend is called subtrahend. And the answer what we will get in result is called difference. Clear? Example 1 is subtract 1,34,27,605 from 5,87,39,825. This number is minuend and this number is subtrahend. So we put minuend 5, 2, 8, 9, 3, 7, 8 and 5 minus 5, 0, 6, 7, 2, 4, 3 and 1. Now we are going to subtract 1,34,27,605 from 5,87,39,825. 5 minus 5 is equal to 0. 2 minus 0. Minus 0 means nothing. We are subtracting nothing from 2. So 2 minus 0 is equal to 2. 8 minus 6 is equal to 2. 9 minus 7 is equal to 2. 3 minus 2 is equal to 1. And 7 minus 4 is equal to 3. 8 minus 3 is equal to 5. 5 minus 1 is equal to 4. So this is answer. Checking answer. So now we are going to check the answer. Our answer is correct or incorrect. For checking the answer in subtraction, we add difference plus subtrahend, and difference plus subtrahend is always equal to minuend. Means we have to add difference, this is difference, and subtrahend. If we get the number equal to minuend, then our answer is correct. If we do not get difference plus subtrahend equal to minuend, then our answer is incorrect. 5 plus 0 1 3 4 2 7 6 0 5 plus 0 2 2 2 1 3 5 4 1 3 5 4. Now we are going to add difference plus subtrahend. 5 plus 0 is equal to 5. 0 plus 2 is equal to 2. 6 plus 2 is equal to 8. 7 plus 2 is equal to 9. 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. 4 plus 3 is equal to 7. 5 plus 3 is equal to 8. And 4 plus 1 is equal to 5. Is this answer is equal to minuend? So in minuend 5 8 5 8, 7 3 7 3, 9 8 9 8 and 2 5 and 2 5. So our answer is correct. In this way you will check the answer in subtraction. Example 2 is, now we are going to solve the problem based on subtraction with borrowing. Means in this type of subtraction we subtract using borrow. So example number 2 is subtract 57,68,435 from 90,26,154 and check your answer. So this is ones place, tens place, hundreds place, thousands place, 10,000s place, lakhs place and 10 lakh place. So minvend is 4 5 1 6 2 0 9 and subtrahend is 5 3 4 8 6 7 5. Here we use minus sign. This sign represent about subtraction. Now we are going to subtract. So 4 is less than 5, so we cannot subtract 5 from 4. So we have to need a borrow. So how we will get borrow? We will take 1 from this tens place, which is 5. So it will give a borrow, then it will become 14. It will become 14. So if we subtract 14 minus 5, 14 minus 5, so 14 minus 5 is equal to 9. Here we get 4 because 5 has already given 1 borrow to the ones place, so here we get 4. 4 minus 3 is equal to 1. Now we move to hundreds place. In hundreds place we get 1 as minvend and 4 as subtrahend. So 1 is less than 4, so we cannot subtract 4 from 1. So we need a borrow. So we'll take 1 borrow and now it will become 11. So 11 minus 4 is equal to 7. Here we get 5 because 6 has already given 1 borrow. We cannot subtract 8 from 5, so we need a borrow. So we get a borrow from 2. Here we get 15. Here we get 15 and 15 minus 8 is equal to 7. Now it will become 1. It will become 1. So we cannot subtract 6 from 1. So we need a borrow. So here we get 0. So 0 cannot give any borrow. So 0 cannot give a borrow because 0 means nothing. So we will take borrow from the 10 lakh place. So it will give 1 borrow to 0, it will become 10, and the 10 give 1 borrow to 1, it will become 11. So 11 minus 6 is equal to 5, and here was 10 and 10 has already given 1 borrow, so here we get 9. 9 minus 7 is equal to 2. Here we get 8. 8 minus 5 is equal to 3. So your answer is 32,57,719. This is your answer. Now we are going to check your answer is correct or incorrect. So difference plus subtrahend, difference plus subtrahend is equal to minvend. So difference is 32,57,719 plus, and the subtrahend is 57,68,435. 9 plus 5 is equal to 14 carry 1. 3 plus 1 4 plus 1 carry is equal to 5. 4 plus 7 is equal to 11 and we get 1 carry. 8 plus 7 is equal to 15 plus 1 carry 16, we get 1 carry. 6 plus 5 is equal to 11 and 1 carry is equal to 12 and here we also get 1 carry. 7 plus 2 is equal to 9 plus 1 carry 10, we get 1 carry. 5 plus 3 is equal to 8 plus 1 9. So 90 lakh 26,154. So our answer is correct. Now we are going to solve the problem based on find the missing digits. Which number to be subtracted from 5 to get 3? That number is 2. That number is 2. If we subtract 2 from 5, then we get 3. And from which number we subtract 1 to get 1? That is 2. 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. किस नंबर से हम 1 को सब्ट्रैक्ट करें कि हमें आंसर में 1 मिले? तो आंसर क्या मिलेगा बेटा? योर आंसर इज 2. And if we subtract 0 from 3, what we will get? We will get the same digit, that is 3. From which number we subtract 2 to get 2? हम किस नंबर से 2 को सब्ट्रैक्ट करें कि हमें आंसर में कितना मिले बेटा? 2 मिले, that is 4. 4 minus 2 is equal to 2. Which number should be subtracted from 8 to get 3? That is 5. If we subtract 5 from 8, we get 3 is in answer. 3 in answer. From which number we subtract 2 to get 4? That is 6. If we subtract 2 from 6, we get 4. Which number should be subtracted from 9 to get 3? That is 6. So your missing digits are 6, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 2. Next type is from the sum of 3 crore 2,56,175 and 94,853 subtract 15,40,217. Dear students, in this question first we have to find the sum of these two numbers. After that we subtract this number from the sum of these two numbers. So let's solve the problem. First we are going to add these two addends. 5 plus 3 is equal to 8. 7 plus 5 is equal to 12 and carry 1. 8 plus 1 is equal to 9 plus 1 carry is equal to 10 and carry 1. 6 plus 4 10 plus 1 carry is equal to 11 and carry 1. 9 5 14 9 5 14 14 plus 1 carry is equal to 15 and carry 1. 2 plus 1 is equal to 3 0 3. So this is the sum of two numbers. Now we have to subtract 15,40,217 from the sum of these two numbers. So 8 minus 7 is equal to 1. 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. 0 minus 2, we cannot subtract 2 from 0, so we need a borrow. So if we take a borrow, we get here 10. So 10 minus 2 is equal to 8. Here we get 0 because 1 has already given 1 borrow. So 0 minus 0 is equal to 0. 5 minus 4 is equal to 1. 3 minus 5 we cannot subtract, so we need a borrow. Here we get 13. 13 minus 5 is equal to 8. Is equal to 8. Here we get 29. So here we get 9 and here we get 2. So 9 minus 1 is equal to 8 and in last 2. So your answer is 2,88,10,811.